Welcome to the next part of this exercise. So let's carry on with the assignment of loads, and take a look at the matter of moving loads. Which in this case, and as we said earlier, we should consider over the surface of the slabs corresponding to the basement or underground parking levels. Let's for example, assign a moving load over one of the slabs in the first basement level. And with the route now defined, we may continue by taking a look at its parameters, such as the scaling coefficients, and which will allow us to calculate with more accuracy the resultant load. Through this column for example, we could determine the gamma angle of the vehicle, if any, as this changes the position of the forces. While through these following columns, we could specify different scaling coefficients for the vertical, horizontal and longitudinal forces. Now and continuing with this configuration panel, through this area at the bottom, we find an option for specifying a tolerance for the moving load case. And if we choose this other option, we'll allow the program to generate a concentrated moment load, from a concentrated force. Finally, and through these three options, we could specify some considerations for the vehicle limits and position. Here we have this new load now present in our list of available cases for this project.